morning in Jai Hind class. Hope you all are fine there at home. Must be completed your previous craft that I have taught you. The rainbow that I have taught you the last week. You must have completed that. Today I will teach you one more thing, that is your pop-up card. It is a very easy pop-up card. One card is given in the book also. If you have the books at home, then you can see it. It's on Earth Day. It's a pop-up card only. Today I will tell you this easy pop-up card. This you can make for your Father's Day, for your Mother's Day, or for any occasion you can make this kind of pop-up card. For this, few things you will be needing. One is your blue paper, then few sheets, one sheet of yellow paper and one sheet of white paper like this. Then what you have to do first, we have to make a big circle with the help of any round thing you can draw. You can make a big circle like this with, and then few triangles I need 8 pieces triangle. So what I will draw, this is the straight line, so I will draw one triangle like this and then another like this. And then what you can do, you can cut these triangles and then use as stencil for the rest. Okay, you have cut one, now you can keep it like this and draw. So this way you can draw all 8 triangles. I will be needing 8 triangles and one circle, that is yellow. And after that, on the white sheet I have to draw 4 clouds. So 4 clouds I have to draw. For that I will be needing 4 clouds I want. So first I will draw a straight line like this, then divide it into 2 parts roughly only, and then draw the cloud this way. This is one, this is another, roughly only, and then draw the cloud this way. This is one, this is another. And then you can fold the sheet from here and cut. So you will get 4 clouds. You will get 4 clouds because this paper is double. So after cutting, you will get these kind of 4 clouds. These are the 4 clouds, and this is the circle, and these are the triangles. Now we have to arrange them. This is your blue card that I have taken. I have folded it from the center. Now what you have to do for pop-up card, from this side in the center you will keep the scale like this and draw a line on both sides of the scale like this, and then draw a line like this. Now we have to mark the slits with the help of scissor, one and the other. Okay, now from this line I have to fold it inside like this. So I will fold it inside like this and press it with my finger. Now open the card and this becomes like this. This is your front and this is your inside. Now you have a pop-up slit like this. Now we have to arrange the sun. We have to make the sun with the help of circle shape. So this is your circle. Now you will paste the triangle shapes outside it. Put the Fevicol, one, then the other one you will paste the opposite side of this. Where you have pasted, you will paste opposite side of that, the other side. Then one more this side and then again opposite side like this. So you will get a proper division. Now in between these two we have to paste one like this. Then take one more triangle, and then this side also we will paste. So it is ready. Now I will take the black sketch pen and make the eyes. If you have wiggly eyes at home, you can paste those wiggly eyes also. I don't have, so I am making it with the help of sketch pen. Then I will make the smiley. Simple smiley I will make, and then I will take the red sketch pen and mark like this. So the sun is ready. Now we have the clouds also here. The 4 clouds are here. Now what we have to do, we have to paste the sun here on the lifted part of the paper. So here the sun will go, so I will fold it little bit like this, and then I will put the Fevicol on this part and then paste the sun here. Like this I will paste the sun. Now the 4 clouds that I have cut, I will paste those clouds here. The 4 clouds that I have cut, I will paste those clouds here. The clouds that I have cut, put the Fevicol on it, and you have to arrange the clouds on the back side of this like this. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd one, and then one more cloud here, like this. Now your pop-up card is ready. Here we will write one line like, "You are my sunshine." So you are my sunshine. This you can write with sketch pen, or you can write with crayons, or anything you want to write, you can write it anywhere. This way you can write. Now see, this is when you close your card this way, and when you will open, your sun will be like this. It will pop up like this. I have one more sample with you for you. This is opposite of this. Like suppose you are not having the blue sheet at home, so what you can do, you can use the white sheet only, and then you can color the clouds with blue color, you can color the sun with yellow color if you don't have yellow sheet, and then you can make it like this also, and the upper part you can decorate with slant lines like this, and then you can color it. So children, this is your final pop-up card. Hope you will also try making for yourself also. Enjoy learning the card, pop-up card, and send the pictures of your card on the class group. Thank you and have a nice day.